Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix access denied to one website in Google Chrome. If you are using Google Chrome and you are facing the issue that whenever you try to open any website, you see an error that the access to the website has been denied. So let's see some possible fixes. So you have a simple way. The very first thing, you have to make sure that your Chrome is updated. So you have to open your App Store or Play Store and you have to search for Chrome, and you have to make sure that your Chrome is up to date. If you find any pending updates for your Chrome app, you just have to simply try to update your app, and after updating you have to go back and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open App Store or Play Store, and here you have to simply search for a VPN. You just have to try to connect with the VPN. So I have already installed this on my iPhone, so just tap on this open option and the VPN will be opened. Just tap on this accept and continue option to continue terms and conditions. And here just select this option to enable your VPN. Just select allow, enter your iPhone passcode here, and then your VPN will be enabled. Once you are connected to a VPN, now you can easily access any website which access has been denied. So in this way, you can easily fix the access denied to the website on Chrome. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.